let's discuss the concept of God in Judaism. It's mentioned in the Old Testament, in the book of Deuteronomy, chapter number 6, verse number 4. Shama Israelo, Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God is one Lord. It is mentioned in the book of Isaiah, chapter number 43, verse number 11. I am the God, and there's no Savior besides me. It is mentioned in the book of Isaiah, chapter number 45, verse number 5. I am the God, and there's no God besides me. It is mentioned in the book of Isaiah, chapter number 46, verse number 9. I am the God, and there's no one like me. It is mentioned in the book of Exodus, chapter number 20, verse number 3 to 5. And in the book of Deuteronomy, chapter number 5, verse number 7 to 9. That thou shalt have no other God besides me. Thou shalt not make any graven image of any likeness of anything in the heaven above, in the earth beneath, in the water beneath the earth. Thou shalt not bow down to them, nor serve them, for thy Lord, thy God, is a jealous God. So if you read the Jewish scriptures, you shall understand the concept of God in Judaism, that you have to worship only one God, and you have to worship Him alone.